Hi guys, welcome to DerinsCorner. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do so now. You can also click on the bell sign so you get notified when I have new videos up. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my hot chili pepper sauce. This pepper sauce is actually a universal pepper sauce that can be used with any dish, and it actually falls in between the Shito sauce and the Chinese chili sauce. That's that Chinese chili that you find in most Chinese takeaways. My hot chili pepper sauce, it can be stored and can be used with any dish. You can actually put it on beans, you can use it with pasta, you can use it with indomie, you can use it with fry. You can also add it to your finger foods. There's actually no restriction on what type of dish you can use it with. You can use it as you please, and you can always make in bulk and then store away in the fridge. So let's get to the recipe itself, and of course I'm going to start with the list of the ingredients.